What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out with me. Today we're going to be testing GoPro with DJI Osmo Mobile. Let's do this. Alright guys, first things first, we're using right now an adapter for the GoPro. We're using it for black right now, but this would work with any Hero 3, 4, 5, and I believe also 6. Alright, so this is pretty much the adapter. This part goes in your gimbal, right? So the GoPro just rests here, and then it has a little bracket that keeps it in place so it doesn't fall. So let's go ahead and set that up. Alright guys, so once you mount your adapter and you put everything together, make sure you balance your GoPro, right, once it's in the Osmo Mobile 2, and it will work the same exact way. The one challenge that you might have is this little bump over here. As you're filming, lock the orientation on your DJI Osmo Mobile by pressing on the mode button once, and then it locks in place, right? Then you'll be able to just simply remove that little motor bump from being in your shot just by simply using it in like a flashlight mode. Alright guys, so what do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. What are your thoughts? What are your ideas? I put the links of everything that I'm using right now down there as well. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.